In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Instagram video selfie verification not working. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into Instagram using your credentials. If you're new to Instagram, simply select the Sign Up option and follow the on-screen instructions to get your account set up. Now, let's explore why your Instagram video selfie verification might not be working. This problem can often be linked to several factors. Sometimes, Instagram itself may face technical glitches or bugs that disrupt the verification process. Additionally, if you're using a weak or unstable internet connection, it can interfere with the video upload necessary for verification. With this in mind, let's switch to our mobile devices and open the Instagram app. It's typically easier to resolve these issues when using the app directly on a mobile device. For Android users, head into App Management, locate the app list, and find Instagram. It is important to emphasize the necessity of a stable internet connection again. A weak or unstable connection can result in problems when uploading videos. Therefore, ensure that your mobile data and Wi-Fi are connected and that mobile data usage in the background is enabled. However, be careful not to enable unrestricted data usage unless absolutely necessary, as this can cause other issues down the line. Once you've confirmed that your internet connection is stable, consider clearing the cache and data on your Android device. To do this, select Instagram in your app list, click on Clear Storage, and then Clear Cache. Remember, clearing data will log you out of the Instagram app, so prepare your login details beforehand so that you can log back in easily. Next, navigate to Permissions and make sure Instagram has access to your device's camera and microphone. It's a critical step as allowing proper access ensures a smoother verification process. You can check and adjust these permissions in your device settings. This step can make a significant difference in processing your verification smoothly. Now, if the issue persists even after following these steps, it may be time to consider offloading the Instagram app. For Android users, ensure you're using the latest version of Instagram by visiting the Google Play Store. If there's an update available, be sure to download it. Updates frequently include fixes for known bugs and glitches. If you've tried all of these steps and your verification is still not working, go to your Instagram profile, tap the hamburger menu, which is the icon with 3 horizontal lines in the upper right corner, and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to where it says Help and click on Report a Problem. Here, you'll have the opportunity to type in your concern and submit it. By doing this, the Instagram support team will be able to provide responses and offer further troubleshooting steps and guidelines to help resolve your problem. These steps should guide you through solving the Instagram video selfie verification issue. Always feel free to reach out for additional support if it's needed.